Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Minty Cactus channel. I wanted to share something with you. This is a big surprise. We were asked to do art for my channel. So Rachel came up with this, and it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the concept of her art and what it turned into. We submitted her artwork to somebody new that makes stickers. I will have her channel in the description. So from Rachel's concept of the art to this beautiful prickly pear in a pot, this is my channel sticker. Someone contacted me with a 3D printing business. And they wanted to make this artwork come to life. They did. Hang on. I'll show you what it came out to look like. Now, this still needs to be painted. Okay? But 3D printing really does make something come to life. We at the Minty Cactus channel absolutely love all the detail. Would you look at the flowers? The thorns are real. They're pokey. There's dirt in the pot and the pot itself. We love the way this turned out. It is 8 inches tall. And one of the best parts about this is she, my artist daughter, is going to teach me how to paint my own cactus. I'm really looking forward to it. I am thrilled to pieces that somebody would build this for me. I don't know how else to say it. 3D printing. It's printed for me. It's gorgeous. It came out awesome. So this is my next project, and I will be working on it. That's the front. The flowers face the front, and that's the back. I'll be working on it. Might even start on it today. I super appreciate you and your 3D printing business. I absolutely love this. Have a most awesome day, everyone. Take care.